Hey, if you want to manage your notifications on the Nokia 6.2, you have to open the settings. Now we have to go to the apps and notifications. Click on the notifications, and as you can see, there's a couple of options like notifications on lock screen, so we can show them all, hide, and don't show any of the notifications. Also, there is option with dots. We can set up the notification sound. So pick your favorite and be happy. And there's also fingerprint for notifications, and we can go for the apps and, for example, just disable Gmail notifications. You can do this for every application that is installed on your phone. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.